Hey guys, what's going on? Joe Mills here for you. You guys just saw some pretty cool stuff. They just put these 4 maples in at the garden here with that awesome, cool looking tree spade. They moved all 4 of these trees in 40 minutes. 40 minutes. That really is something, guys. I personally couldn't believe it, but I'm blessed to be able to have the opportunity to see something like that. And just grateful for the fact that I could see it and learn from it. And those guys are so nice. I asked them a couple questions about the tree spade and the bobcat and stuff. So understanding. Willow Springs Tree Farm in the New River Valley area of Virginia. Check them out if you ever need some trees.